So here again is the bralette and then the shapewear. Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. So today for you guys, I'm going to be opening up 2 items from the SKIMS shapewear line. SKIMS is owned by, of course, Kim Kardashian West, and I just ordered 2 products from them, a shapewear kind of thong, and then a bralette from them a couple of weeks ago. So I wanted to open it up for you guys on camera, and I'm just gonna kind of get right into it because I know I haven't been posting very often for you guys because if you guys are new here, I do model in Minneapolis area, and I have been out of town in Arizona modeling down there. So it's just been kind of a busy week for me, but if you're new here, welcome here. My name is Eleanor Josefina, and yeah, I'm happy to have you guys here, and I'm just gonna go ahead and open this darn box because I am excited to see what I got. So as you can see, the packaging has, nowhere does it say like it's from like the SKIMS brand, and I think they did that intentionally so no one would like steal packages. So I'm just gonna open it up for you guys on camera. So it looks like I got the shipping package, and then this is what it looks like right away. So in the box, there's this. It looks like this is just like a covering. Just kind of cool that it has like their marketing on it. Okay, cool. So now I have these 2 things. And this is the high-waisted thong. This is the high-waisted thong in the color Onyx, in the size extra small. And then this is the Mesh Scoop Bralette in the color Onyx again, in the size extra small. So first I'll pull out the high-waisted thong. If I can figure out how to open it. Oh wow, okay. This is so awesome. I did not know about this, but it looks like it comes in a little pouch. This is like an awesome pouch. It's like kind of squishy. I don't know what this material is made out of, but definitely will reuse this, definitely. Okay, so in the pouch, now we have the high-waisted bonded thong within the pouch, and this was $68. And if you guys saw my last unboxing of my SKIMS shapewear, this is the core control thong in the color umber, and this was $24. So this is the high-waisted bonded thong, and this is $68, and then this is the core control thong, and this is $24. And I will leave my unboxing to the core control thong up above or down below. And also you guys, I will also leave my measurements of everything down below just because sometimes it helps. I'm about 130 pounds and I usually wear an extra small and everything. So I always get an extra small and everything. But as you can see, the high-waisted bonded thong is a little bit bigger, about 1 inch bigger than the core control thong. And the core control thong, I got this in the size extra, extra small, and extra small because they didn't just have an extra small, there was like 2 sizes in one. But the high-waisted bonded thong, the difference between these 2, it feels like this one's just definitely a little bit harder to stretch than this one. This one's a little bit more flexible. This one definitely feels like it has more stronger material in it. And then you have the it's kind of like a rubbery fabric, and that is to help the waist stay up and in place. So yeah, so this is basically what it looks like. And again, this was $68. And then the Mesh Scoop Bralette, this was $32. So the total of my package was $100 exactly, which is really nice because I think it's like free shipping over like $75 or something like that. But this is the Mesh Scoop Bralette, and as you can see, it is very see-through, so I will try to show you guys this on camera. I might have to blur my nips out, but this right here feels really, really nice. It's a very nice meshy fabric, so I'm really impressed. I was really honestly impressed with my first unboxing of SKIMS, and so that's why I bought 2 more products from SKIMS because I knew like I would love it. So now I'm gonna go ahead and try these on for you guys. Right now I'm kind of wearing like a tight bodycon dress, and I will try on the shapewear. I will show you guys what I look like without the shapewear, and then I will show you guys what I look like with the bonded thong, and then I will do a comparison of like the bonded thong versus the control core thong, just because there is a huge difference in price there. So I will let you guys know my final thoughts on if I think the bonded thong at $68, if it's actually worth it or not. Okay you guys, so this is me without any shapewear on or anything. I just have a regular bra on, and as you can see, my stomach kind of does bloat out naturally. That's just kind of how my body is. So this is me kind of sucking in, and then this is kind of me relaxed. Okay, and now I'm going to go ahead and put on the bonded thong. So here is the bonded thong, just really quick. So it does come up higher than the core control thong. The core control thong only comes up to about my waist area, and this goes a little bit above my waist. First impressions, it's really, really nice. It definitely is a little bit stronger of a material than the core control thong. So yeah, so this is, sorry, I still have the tags on. I haven't ripped them off yet, but I will show you guys kind of a side-by-side of what it looks like with the control thong and then without the control thong. Okay guys, so this is the core control thong. Again, it only comes up to my waist area. It doesn't come up above my waist like the bonded thong does. But this is the, again, core control thong, and this is the one that's $24, so a lot cheaper. This world can be so cruel. So here, you guys, is the mesh bralette and the high-waisted bonded thong. Again, these are both in the color Onyx. And honestly, you guys, I am loving this bralette. I was thinking about returning it, but I actually really absolutely love it. So here again is the bralette and then the shapewear. Okay, you guys, so after trying on all of the items, I have to say that I absolutely love both of the things that I have got. I love the bralette and I love the high-waisted bonded thong. And I know not everyone is like a huge like Kardashian fan, but the SKIMS products are actually really, really nice, all three of them that I have just purchased now. And I know they can be kind of expensive, but they are something that I do use on a weekly basis. This bralette I would probably use on a daily basis. Again, I thought about returning this bralette just because I didn't know if I necessarily needed it, and I don't have like the largest chest in the world. But this honestly makes me look like I do have, you know, larger breasts. I mean, it does look really, really good, and it is really comfortable. Again, it's this meshy material. There's nothing that is like hard. There's no wires in it. So it's really honestly very, very nice and really good quality. And then between these two, I know it's more than like double the price, but I honestly would go with the high-waisted bonded thong. I feel like it just holds me a little bit better. And the one problem I've had with this, well, I've had kind of two problems with this. When I've had them on, this part, even though there's like a little like bit of elastic part, because it's not high enough above my waist, it tends to like kind of like fold down, and I have to keep kind of like flipping the top back up and kind of like smoothing it out over and over and over again. And if you guys know and have been following my channel a little bit, I do model, and so it's just kind of annoying when I'm at a photo shoot and it's like, sorry, there's a wrinkle underneath my shirt again, you know, and it's, you know, kind of my core control thong. So yeah. And then the second thing is, if you guys can tell, there's a little bit of fraying right here on the edge, kind of towards the crotch part. I know this sounds kind of like weird, but this kind of can give me like a front wedgie sometimes because it's just so like thin right here that it kind of gives me a wedgie, where this one, where the high-waisted bonded thong, it's just a little bit thicker, so it's a lot more comfortable for me to wear, and there's no like edging. There's no like stitching on this one, where there is stitching on this one. And again, it has kind of like frayed a little bit, but I have worn this quite a few times, so it's kind of understandable why there is fraying on this, because I wear it literally on a weekly basis. But yeah, this one, it's not possible for it to fray like that. So honestly, overall, you guys, I know it's $68 and I don't even spend that much money on a flipping t-shirt, for goodness sake. But for good quality that I will wear honestly on a weekly basis, and I do wear it on a weekly basis, for me, it is worth it. Again, you guys, I will leave all of my measurements of everything down below. I'll leave like my bra size, my height, my waist measurement, everything like that, just because that kind of like helps me decide what like sizes I should get. So I thought that'd be helpful for you guys. But yeah, you guys, that is it. I hope you guys loved this video. If you did, please leave me a thumbs up, and please subscribe and hit that little bell button if you want to keep up with any future videos that I have coming out. I am a model, and so I do a lot of videos about modeling, and when I go to cool places, I'll take you guys and vlog just that journey with me, and I'll take you guys along with me. But yeah, you guys, that is it. I love you guys all so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye, you guys.
Oh, we can take this world by storm.